Hey guys, how's it going? Out here on a Sunday morning, gonna do what we do best, and it's break the cars.
What's good? How'd the intro go?
Uh,
Or is this the intro?
this is part of the intro.
I don't know what you said,
I
but
said we're gonna do what we do best.
break shit. I mean, so we're gonna go test drive the Lexus. Tires is one limiting factor. 20-year-old bushings another factor.
We're gonna find out what needs to be fixed or what should have been fixed. And that's gonna be the fun part.
So you're not gonna drive it
I told you she's driving it.
all day?
Yeah.
I thought she was gonna drive this.
No, she's not gonna drive this. She doesn't want to drive. I told her she needs to get some time. If she wants to learn how to drive on track, like she needs some time on the canyon.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna drive it to see what's broken.
No, I'm gonna be her passenger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, we're back. We're over here in Malibu. About to turn on, what is this? On a Malibu Canyon Road. Alright. Surprisingly enough, we have my sister Miriam actually driving the 300. The beater Lexus, we just made it nicer to daily. It's not really at that stage to deal with this kind of stuff. The only thing that it does have is coilovers and brakes. We have some skinny, cheap tires at the moment, just because it was cost effective. And it's a Lexus, so it's heavy. So those are two things kind of against the car and against my sister at the moment. It's the weight of the car and tires. At least she knows her braking. Brake in a straight line. Don't brake in the turns. Oh, I'm so proud. Do it again. Yeah, brake in a straight line. Off. Alright, she was kind of going a little fast there. That bump kind of disturbed her. Yep, braking. Let off. Little touch of brake because of the dirt. Little touch of brake because of what is it? What are they called? Other cars. How was it? How's the car?
It was good.
You like
I was more
it?
scared than anything.
Scared of what? We ain't racing. Maybe not you.
No, but it was fun.
What do you think the car needs?
What does it need? A new steering wheel?
Oh. That's yours. That's your fix right there. I've done my part. It runs and drives.
And then brakes.
It needs brakes.
I feel like it.
I
because like I feel like I would brake and that thing wasn't really braking fast enough.
It's the car.
I
I think it's a car.
The initial feel is like very dull. I guess because it's like a luxury car. But like the further you go, it gets harder. But you don't get like the initial bite. I've noticed that.
People switch
But the
to
250 is not like that.
to non-hydraulic. What's the other thing called?
They get rid of the booster?
Yeah, they get rid of everything.
ABS?
And they go with the. I'll show you the kit.
What?
It's a pretty nice kit.
I don't know about that.
It cleans up the whole bay.
But if everyone's gonna be driving it,
Yeah, I know.
I don't know if we should get rid of ABS. Okay guys, we are done with our cruise. We are now gonna head back home. It was just nice and short. It was good to come back here. It's been a while. We have something big to install in the Civic. So, catch you guys there. Alright guys, let's get started with removing the 4 bolts from this seat. Let me just show y'all real quick. We have these, which are like a weird star pattern. So I had to go to my local O'Reilly's and buy a set of these and just get the one that fits. And then for the back, that would be right down there. Luckily I have a, oh, it's locked. Luckily I have a 4-door, so I could just crawl back here and get those. So let's get started with that. All right, we got the bolts loose here. I do know, yep, we have some clips under here. I don't know exactly what they're for. Guess we'll find out. But I'm gonna just disconnect these 3 and then we should be good to take the seat out. Okay, so I got all 3 removed. These small white ones, but there's like a small white tab. There we go. Right here. And then this one, you gotta actually slide this black piece back. Like that. So, seat fully disconnected from the car. Let's get it out. Never realized how dirty it was here. And I found my missing GoPro battery. Yeah. We'll probably end up vacuuming that. Look at how much room there is in there. It's crazy. Alright, seat's out. Let's go inside and show you guys the new seat. Alright, sorry couldn't really talk while installing the seat rails. I managed to remove our stock seat belt and I'm about to plug it in. I know one of these is from the stock seat having a side airbag. I don't know what the other one is. But I don't think there's a way to plug it in because this obviously doesn't have a airbag. But we'll see if there's a way to like fix it or trick the computer or the ECU of thinking everything's okay. So I'm gonna plug it in, align these brackets from in here. And once it's bolted on, try to tighten everything and then take a seat. I'm expecting it not to be where I want it the first time around, so I might have to adjust it. I'm thinking of I might have to raise the front just to get a little bit more angle on the seat. But I mean, we'll see what's comfortable for me, I guess. So let's get started. Okay, all right, guys, just finished. Took way longer to try to adjust the seat where I wanted it, but I got everything finally installed. Barely have enough clearance right here, kind of touching, so I can slide forward, slide back. I do need to kind of push myself off or grab onto something. There's still a bit more friction than a stock seat, but I'm okay with it. What I did notice is with this seat, I do need to sit, I believe, more forward than the original seat. I do like that it hugs me from my shoulders. I am kind of skinny, so I still have a bit of wiggle room around my hips. This is a large, so I'm kind of expected, but I couldn't find a medium that was in stock, so I'm okay with this. You do get the airbag light on. I guess that's because the sensor is not connected, but I mean, kind of kind of glad with how it turned out. And at least to make it easier to get out of the car, slide back, and I'm good. Gonna have to get used to it. It's still a bit of a hassle. We got this big old cushion right here, which you can remove if you want to sit lower for you tall people. But I'm not tall, so keep that. One last thing that I need to do. The benefit of getting a Prisma seat. Whoever's sitting behind me has a glitter back. Yeah. My passenger better be happy about this. Oh, actually, feet room might be a problem. But, I mean, y'all got this nice view. Really excited about that. Let me see if it gets in. Yeah, like that. Oh, yeah. Much better. Alright, that's going to be it for me, guys. Finally finished up the Civic. We still have one more video to make before a big time attack event. Really excited. Still pending on the FRS. More news on that later. But yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Later.